Hello, welcome to Litehawk. Today in this quick video we're talking the differences between the wheels and tires and the tracks that come with the Little Tom SC. Now remember, if you purchase a Little Tom SC you get both the wheels and tires and the snow tracks. The tracks do come mounted to the vehicle. You just need a Phillips screwdriver from change from one to the other. One thing we did want to talk about in this quick video is we do get emails and calls at times saying that they're getting a track where it's binding, like it's not wanting to move nice and freely. So if you pull the track off, there's a cog on the backside here, and that's where it mounts up to the axle, and that should move nice and easy. Now, one of the things that can happen with these vehicles is they go through big temperature changes when they're first made. Of course, they're coming across the sea in a container ship and then out to a truck into a store, and there's going to be expansion and contraction during that process. So what can happen is the actual rubber can contract or get a little too tight around the bogie wheels as well as the drive cog. So why I've got this off here is what I can do is I can just gently stretch this track out, and that will make it, when we put it back on, a little looser, and that will actually increase top speed, increase battery life as well. A lot of times if the tracks are too tight, of course it's taking more energy to turn this, and thus decreasing runtime. On the subject of runtime, the wheel and tire setup will be superior in runtime over the tracks. It just comes down to the efficiency of the tire. So that's your main thing there. The other thing too is on the back of the track unit there's two screws, one on each side, and sometimes at the factory level these can be over tightened, or people themselves will tighten these, and it will stop this. Again, I'll just take this track off quickly. It'll stop this center drive cog from moving. You can see how freely that moves, and that's how it should be. If these are tightened down, what you're doing is you're smushing these two together, and then this is now getting drag and is not going to spin freely. Again, reducing runtime as well as speed and performance. So hope this kind of helps you. Of course, we do have the wheels and tires with the tracks in the Snowcrass version, and you can buy them as accessories at the Litehawk shop to put on your regular Little Tom. But these are kind of the things to look for and diagnose if you're ever having any issues with it. Also, if you do get any mud or debris in here, you can easily take the track off and pull or clean any of that out. So thanks for watching, really appreciate it, and till next time, have fun with your Litehawk.